This is what 9.5 million pesos can buy you at Dominguez Street, Pasay City, Philippines. Let's go! Imagine living here. There is a 2-bedroom unit with 56 square meters at the Aston Place by DMCI Home. Here, you've got a spacious kitchen with built-in cabinets, a living and dining area, perfect for entertaining, 1 bathroom and a laundry area, 2 bedrooms, and your own balcony. Perfect for investors, first-time homebuyers, young professionals, OFWs, or couples just starting out. Located at 1862B, Dominguez Street, Pasay City, Metro Manila. Nearby landmarks, LRT1 Hill Puyat Station, De La Salle University, SM City Manila, Cash and Carry Supermarket, and the Makati Business District. Enjoy resort-style amenities designed for comfort, relaxation, and modern city living. Pool, gym, function rooms, playground, and landscape gardens. And the best part, you can own a unit for as low as 38,000 pesos per month. Contact the details below today for more information.